Hi, Mami. Hello! Kamusta lola mo? Okay naman. Si Roldan. Hello! Oh. Hello again!
Ako po si Mami Mitch Taisa, ang kasalukuyang presidente ng Thalassemia Kids Club under Batha. Ang sakit po na thalassemia, sila po ay madalas na nagsasali ng dugo, hereditary. Ito po ay isang sakit sa dugo na namamana.
Healthy ka. Healthy yan. Carl. This is Carl.
Noong last May, siya po ay nagbigay sa amin sa tulong ng Senate Spouse of the Philippines, nagbigay siya ng guarantee letter para sa mga batang may thalassemia sa National Children's Hospital para matugunan yung pangangailangan nila sa gamutang medikal.
Let's start with saying thank you sa lahat ng mga nagsama-sama dito. Lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, lahat ng mga anghel ko sa aking buhay, sa team ko na nagsama-sama. I want to also thank Dr. Alisa, kung nakilala ko 20 years ago. That is half of my life. Nung una kong nakilala ang mga taga-Batha, thalassemia. It was through a friend, a family friend, Tita Josie and Tito Domi, nung nakilala ko ang Batha thalassemia. At marami dito nakasama ko nung baby pa sila. Itaas ang kamay. Ashley, Ned, Angela, Princess, and then of course, my darling. And then, I also want to dedicate this day, Roldan. Nandyan din si Roldan. Ayan, tumanda na si Roldan. Alam mo, huwag kang mahihiya kahit ang gusto. Alam mo naman, uji ka. Diba? Huwag kang papabayaan.
Salagi po yung mga
Kailangan hanggang...
yung health nyo.
Ikaw din, hello. Magsalita. Basta hanggang 80 years old tayo, ha? Aalagaan mo pa ako pag 80 ako. Wala ako naman. Kasi inaasahan kita, ha?
Sige po. God bless po.
Basta mag-text ka lang, ha?
Opo.
For those of you na nandito, alam nyo na kung gaano kahirap magkaroon ng thalassemia. Sa mga parents, sa mga grandmothers, it takes 76,215,000 a month per child. That's 915,250, tama ba? 915,000 a year para sa isang bata. I cannot do this alone. And together, we can truly make a difference. But today is not just putting the spotlight. Today, ibabalik natin to sa lahat ng mga bata, mga teenagers na nandito, to have fun because we deserve it. Hello, mga madam! To the classmates of Princess. Isn't she a princess? We love all of you. Cool, let's go. Oh my God, it's a fun part. Are you ready? What do you like? But I think she deserves a headband. You like the headband? And then what do you like? You like the blue dress? You like the blue dress? Wow! You like? I think this is very nice. What do you think? Ito talaga. Okay, let's do it. Let's do that. Let's dress her up. Ah! No! So sorry. Hold her. Hold her like that because we have to dress her up. Hi, Harriet. This is Ate Heart. I love you. Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! And then yun yun, that as I've gotten older, as I've gotten wiser, and as I travel the world, I will make sure that I will let you know na I carry you in my heart. And I will do everything I can na masuportahan ko kayo and your families. Ayan na, may additional collection ako sa aking mga flowers and their letters that I keep. Grabe ha! So, I have my OG princesses there. Meaning to say, baby pa lang sila. Kasama ko na sila. Of course, si Roldan. So, I'm so happy. What a beautiful day for them and for me. I feel like
the redirection of my life has taken me to this. I was so shocked. Like, parang, in what universe can this happen to me?